even imagine yet. Think about it. Someone needs to design, develop, implement, and maintain all these AI systems. Someone needs to train the algorithms, interpret the data, and ensure ethical considerations are met. The future of work is not about humans versus machines, it's about humans and machines working together. AI has the potential to free us from repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work. Instead of fearing AI as a job-stealing monster, we should embrace it as a powerful tool that can enhance our capabilities, boost productivity, and unlock new possibilities. The key is to stay adaptable, embrace lifelong learning, and focus on developing skills that complement AI, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Remember, AI is only as good as the humans who design and use it. This brings us to our final myth, and honestly, it's one that often prevents people from even considering a career in AI. You need to be a math genius to do AI engineering. Look, I'm not gonna lie, having a strong foundation in math, especially in areas like linear algebra, calculus, and statistics, is definitely helpful. But here's the thing, AI engineering is not just about crunching numbers. It's about solving real-world problems. And that requires, a diverse set of skills. Yes, you'll need to understand the mathematical principles behind algorithms, but you'll also need strong problem-solving abilities, logical reasoning, and the ability to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable chunks. Collaboration is also key in AI engineering. You'll be working with teams of talented individuals, including data scientists, software engineers, domain experts, and even designers. Effective communication, teamwork, and the ability to bridge the gap between technical and non-technical audiences are essential skills for success in this field. Don't let the math genius stereotype discourage you. While a solid grasp of mathematical concepts is important, it's by no means the only factor determining your success as an AI engineer. Focus on developing a well-rounded skill set that includes problem-solving, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the domain you're working in. So there you have it, 3 common AI engineering myths officially busted. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, and it's full of exciting opportunities for anyone willing to learn, adapt, and embrace the challenge. Now I want to hear from you. What other AI myths have you heard? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. And hey, while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more myth-busting content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.